What's up, traders? I haven't done a video like this in so long. We ended up going 3 for 3 today on a day that I didn't think I was even going to trade. So let's get to it. All right, traders. So real quick, we're just going to go over our trades. It's going to be a little bit of a recap because I didn't go live this morning, so I don't want to leave you guys hanging. I do post everything on Twitter every day as well, but some people probably don't actually look over there and follow me there as well. If you don't, you should, because I actually tend to post something there if something's going on, just to keep you updated, like with everything going on with my wife right now. And so yeah, ADMP, this just happened. It came up and halted kind of out of nowhere. We followed the imbalance via DT in the Discord. Thank you very much for that. And we saw it keep going up, so we knew we were going to have a bit of a gap here. And we put an order out. I think it was at 96. Yeah, it was at 90. No, it was at 95. And it opened up at 1. If we click on the candle, you see it opened up at 1, and it went all the way down to 87. And we had an order at 88 because the gap fill would have been 87. So we know that a lot of times it likes to go down and bounce right off of that before trying to do something different. And it happened so fast. It filled me. I clicked the button. As I clicked the button, it already went down and all the way back up, and we didn't get filled. So it would have been a really nice trade. It would have been a quick 12 cents on our shares. However, it didn't happen. It ended up continuing a little bit higher, and we ended up getting an ad and then scaling out here at the bottom. It started the fight here at $1, so we decided to take some off there on the north side of it. Finally got the break. It felt like it was struggling to really kind of push down. I was expecting a bit of a flush when it went through 1, but we didn't quite get it. It did work its way down to about 92, but unfortunately that was all that we could get. We actually got out at, dang, we got 99 on that. 98.51. Man, I thought we got 97, but there must have been a spread. Yeah. So that was our trade on ADMP. Earlier we had CTRM. Scroll a little bit. This one was at the bell. You can see this one actually ended up going way higher. So we had that previous resistance from yesterday, pre-market, intraday, pre-market today as well. Got a nice little move up here in the morning. Got in and got the flush, and as you can see, it did come down a little bit lower. Didn't quite get down to that 328 area, but ultimately ended up moving much higher throughout the day. It actually went all the way up above 4. And our last trade was on SOS, similar type trade. If we scroll out, we can see where we got our lines from, pre-market and intraday high from yesterday. Also looks like it tried to get up to it right before the move it made, but then ultimately ended up blasting through it. When it was going up to the whole $1, I remember when I first pulled this up, I was saying I wanted to get in on the north side of 4. However, that didn't quite happen. You could feel it really struggling down here under 4. So we jumped in, essentially top ticking this thing, got the 395, we got 394. So we hit the bid while it was at the current high. And when it came back down, we got filled here at 382, and the bottom of that candle was 380. And that was the lowest it went before going back to high day. So we pretty much got the max out of this move without using, getting in on the ask or the bid, because we we got in on the bid and got out on the ask. So it was pretty darn close to being perfect on those entries and exits. And that's all I got. We ended up being around 75% of our quota today, which for a day that we thought we weren't even going to trade isn't that bad. Today's Thursday. I with everything going on, I totally have kind of lost track of time. So again, wasn't planning on trading today. Tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully it'll be a decent day, and we can move on to tomorrow. So until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace.